Hey, this is Byron, and welcome. It's a lot to uncover. I'm gonna talk about the stock market. There's a lot of things going on with President Trump and things like that. It's a lot of things. Let me update you what's going on in the stock market. First of all, I'm looking at it as we speak. The Dow Jones is okay. Let me see right here. The Dow Jones is up 308 points. The Nasdaq is up 272 points. The S&P 500 is up 61 points. Those are good. Those are positive news right there. So the stock market's up. But I want to talk about a lot of people has panicked because the stock market was going down a couple of days ago. You had to have patience when it comes to the stock market. I want to emphasize that. You had to have patience when it comes to the stock market. And that's what I have. I've been doing this so long. I understand the stock market goes up and down. That's just the way it goes. But it always bounced back. The stock market always bounced back. I don't care if it's a crash. I don't care if it's a correction. It don't matter. The stock market will come back. It's the greatest form of wealth. I can't emphasize that enough. Today is December 19th, 2025. 6 days away from Christmas. A lot of retail stores are taking off right now because of people are shopping and buying presents. Now I want to go over a couple of things. I suggested some stocks about a couple of weeks ago, and they're doing pretty good right now. But I want to emphasize there's a special stock out there called MU, Micron Technology. It's up 8 points today. It went up 25 points yesterday. It's a good stock. I think it's the best stock ever right now. A lot of people are panicking because of the AI bubble. They think technology stocks are going to go down. And I'm telling a lot of my investors that MU, Micron Technology, is going to overcome that. It's a special stock. It's going to overcome that. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. But it's going to go more up than down. That's where the patience come in. You have to have patience when it comes to stock. Now, CT, that's another stock. CTNM is up today. That's another stock I prescribed. This is up, okay. It's up 32 cents. Okay, Victoria's Secrets. That is up $1.52 again. So Victoria's Secrets is up again. Five Below is only down 22 cents, but it's been going up like crazy. Yesterday, day before, it's been going up every day. So 22 cents is nothing. But I have another stock, a good stock for you too, and I'm gonna give that to you at the end of this segment right here. Okay, but I just want to emphasize you have to have patience when it comes to the stock market. You have to have patience. You have to, or you're not going to survive in the stock market. If the stock market, if you don't see something that you like, don't buy it. I don't care if it's Walmart, I don't care if it's Amazon. Do not buy a stock just for the name, because a good company is not always a good investment. That's what you got to realize. A good company is not always a good investment. It could be overpriced. I want you to get that through your head. It could be overpriced. You want to get something that's underpriced, and the price is going to go up. Overpriced stocks, I don't care. I'm going to use Walmart again, a perfect example. Say Walmart is $100, just theoretically. Walmart's $100 a share. But people want it at $90 a share. Don't buy it when it's $100 a share. Wait until it goes down to 90. Wait until the price comes where you know it's going to go up and you're going to make money. Those are some helpful hints when it comes to the stock market. You have to realize that. That's very important. Just because it's a big name don't mean anything. That's why it's a million stocks out there. If big names was the only stocks that people buy, then it wouldn't be a million stocks out there. Think about it. It'd be like 10 stocks. Amazon, Walmart, UPS, FedEx. You know what I'm saying? The big name stocks. But they know a lot of these stocks are not good investments. It's just a good company. Now, short term is different from long term. Short term, you can lose money on those stocks. But long term, it could be a good investment because it goes up gradually. Like Walmart, perfect example. Walmart would be like $40 a share. It might go down to 39, but next day it goes up to 41. Follow what I'm saying? Next day it goes down to 40, then it goes up to 43. It's a gradual rise. See, I am a professional short-term investor. I am the best in the world at this, I think. I'm not cocky, I'm confident. I realize how stocks work. I know how stocks work, and that's what I'm trying to teach to you. Now you got to decide what you want to do. Do you want to do cryptocurrency? Do you want to do short term? Do you want to do long term? Do you want to do dividend investing, futures, mutual funds? But you have to decide what you want. Some people want long term investments because they can't keep track of the stocks every day. That's when I come to par. What you have to do is subscribe, like, and share my video so my video can get to you so I can tell you exactly what to buy that day, that moment, and that's what I'm going to tell you in a couple of seconds. Trust me, it works. I'm making money for so many different people, and I'm 38 out of 39 towards getting stocks correct. I am very, very good at this. I'm not bragging, I'm just confident. And I'm making money for me and my associates. But I want to make money for you. Like I said, like, subscribe, definitely subscribe so my videos can get to you. So they say, Byron said on this date, December 19th or December 20th, buy this stock. And I almost guarantee you that stock will go up the following day or the following week. Sometimes you have to have patience. Sometimes it might take a little while before what I suggest go up, because nobody knows when a stock is going to go up. But I do know the trends of stock. I study it 24 hours a day. I am very motivated and good at this. I'm happy. I'm sorry. I'm just happy. I'm in my office right now. I'm talking so much I can't breathe. But let me update you on the news of the stock. What's going on? It says the major averages trade in a tight range near session high at midday. Okay, the industry sector. Hold on, I gotta read some of this stuff. I got so much on my screen here. Because Donald Trump, the big news, I'm gonna go straight to the good news here, the juicy news here. It's something that Donald Trump is doing. More news, read more. Okay, they said, wow, this is deep. Venezuela, aerospace and defense names higher amid uncertainty with Venezuela. So I don't know if there's a war going to be with Venezuela and the United States. There's something going on with that, and that can affect the stock market too. It says, President Trump told NBC last night that he is not ruling out a war with Venezuela after ordering a blockade of sanctioned oil tankers entered and leaving the country earlier this week. Wow. Wow. That's big news right there. And that can affect, little things like that can affect the stock market. Okay, a couple of more things I want to get to because I don't want to talk your ear off. First of all, let's make some money. One thing with short-term investing, one thing that I do, and I know you can't keep track of it, but I can keep track for you if you subscribe to my video. I make money every minute, every week, every day, and I know I buy one day and I sell the next day. I can make $2,000 one day, and then I sell it. Then I go to another stock. I make another $3,000 that day, and then I sell it. That's what I can do for you. You can make like $5,000 one day. It counts how many shares you get. You can make $5,000 one day. Say that today is Friday, and it goes up Monday 3 points, and you got 1,000 shares. You make $3,000. You sell it that day, and then we move on to another stock. That's how you make money when it comes to short term. You make money every minute, every second, every day, every week. And that's how I do it, and that's how I'm effective, and that's how I'm building my capital. That's all you want to do, is build your capital and keep that money going in your stock market account and going in your bank account. But you don't keep it too long. Like once the stock goes up 7 to 8 points, you get rid of that stock and move on to the next stock. And that's where I'm so effective. I send every other day, I have a hot stock coming on out there, and I tell you guys about it, and you make money just like I do. So I just want to get that across to you. You have to be disciplined when it comes to the stock market. I'm looking at the stock market right now. I can teach you clues and stuff of how to find stocks. That can help you too. And I'm gonna make videotapes of that. I could teach you terminologies on stock like PE ratio and EPS and index funds and all this stuff. I could teach you all this stuff. I could teach you the mathematical part of a stock. But guess what? I know people that know all these things. And guess what? They still don't make money. Remember that. Let that sink in. They still don't make money. I don't care how much you know in the stock market. But I have a special gift where I know exactly how to make money in day trading. I didn't found a loophole when it comes to the stock market. That's what I'm telling you. I didn't found that loophole where you could almost 99% of the time make money. But I'm going to end this segment because I don't want to talk your ear off, like I said. Definitely leave comments and leave me your opinion on what I'm talking about. There's ways to make money consistently in the stock market, and I know one way. A lot of people know other ways, but my professional opinion is I know what I am doing when it comes to short-term investing. So, with that being said, let me give you the hot stock. The next hot stock I think is going to do good. Remember, today is December 19th. The stock is, I'm pulling it up right now as we speak. It is MIRM. That's a symbol. That's Miron Pharmaceuticals. That's in the pharmaceutical, that's a tough word to say, sector. But I think it's going to make money. It's trading at $78 per share. It's up $8 right now. So get in now. Don't wait. The entry point is right now. The entry point is right now. You got to come in on the entry point. I think it's going to go up even further. I think it's going to go up 5 or 6 points probably in the next few days. Have patience with it. I think it's going to go up. And let me know if you made money. If you want to send money my way, I have no problem with it. But you don't have to send me anything. I just want you to make money. But give me your opinion and leave comments if you did make money on this particular stock. The ticker symbol is MIRM. That it? Yeah, MIRM. M as in Mary, I as in it, R as in Robert, M as in Mary. That stock is going to make money for you. I'm going to end it right there in closing. Don't forget to leave your opinion. And let's make some money, okay? Let's make some money, baby.